welcome back to our channel. Today we had the most epic snow day yesterday, and we have 3 feet of snow. Okay. What? How did you do it? I survived! We did it! I did it across the whole backyard against... Let's go! Let's go this way. Come on, Rhea. Seriously? Yeah, you can do it. You just keep falling in. Here, come over here. Come on. You can't crawl. Come on, get up. Come on, let's get up! No. Okay, that's high snow.
నిన్న పైన డోర్ వరకు ఉండేనా ఇవాళ మెల్ట్ అయింది ఇంకా పైన అక్కడ ఈవెన్ డోర్ లాక్ ఓపెన్ చేయడానికి కూడా లేకుండే నిన్న.
I can't open it. Yeah, it's stuck.
Can I give keys?
Yeah. I got to turn. Okay, that's hard. Okay, this is hard. I got my exercise of the day. More snow. So you see this place here? In the summer, this is where the plants were. All the tomatoes and corn and gongura and all the vegetables we showed you were all over here in these spots. Now it's covered with 3 or 4 inches of snow. And there's more over on that side. Come on. See? It's so hard. After you step in them, so deep. All of that is also where we planted plants. This is where we put the dosakai plants. That one there. We're getting there. Look at this. Look, guys, I found a stick to help me because it's so deep. It's to keep myself from falling in.
Madaray ko da.
Yeah, this boy's stupid. Yeah.
ఆగండి. So big ground.
Look, what is that? I need to get on my seat. Can I go in the front seat?
This is really.
So this is my school grounds. It's so beautiful because of the snow. There's like no space without snow. Yeah. It's like an ocean of snow. How cool. It is. Pretty sure this part's gonna be offloaded tomorrow. It might not even be tomorrow for recess. Oh no, don't hit that pile of snow!
This is your classroom.
Oh yeah, that's my classroom up there. In one of those windows.
Light illuminate class.
One of the windows. Oh yeah.
Be careful. Tisha.
Oh, this is the front. Oh. How was Brody's spell? This is the walker circle. I usually come here. Walk out? Can we walk out? No, Rhea. Why not? This is for walkers. I am a walker. I'm a busted that walks. This is so bus walk. I'm a bus walker. As you might have seen in the video we made of the library, that's the fire department. And my school's really close, the library is really close to me, and so is the fire department. If you haven't seen the library video, check it out. It's going to be in the description box below. So I've been in this school for 3 years already. I'm in 5th grade now. And it's really going well. It's a pretty amazing school. I have amazing teachers. My class is really kind. They're awesome, actually. So this is my school. It's large, but my brother's is bigger. I have to admit it. Someday, actually. This is the back of my school. This is where I used to be for my 4th grade class. Not anymore. This is the front of the school. In the summer, we always used to come here for walks and bicycle rides. That's the church over there.
Oh no?
So although there are not many cars around because it's dangerous to drive in the snow and ice, snow trucks still clean the roads for the people who do happen to be driving bad, just like us.
అటువైపు తీస్తే బాగా బ్యాక్ సైడ్.
Don't say it. Don't say it. Don't say it. Into opposite day. Why? You're so sad. Because I can do everything? Because you can do
ఈ స్ట్రీట్ మంచిగా వస్తుంది మళ్ళీ లైటింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయా
సన్లైట్ వల్ల
కాదు నాకు ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైంది మనం ఆపోజిట్ సన్కి ఆపోజిట్గా వచ్చినప్పుడు రాదు
Third is not, fourth is not.
జాబ్.
Six?
మళ్ళీ రాదు
What is six then? Sixth is junior, seventh is junior,
Right.
eighth is senior, ninth is
ఇటు వస్తుంది
junior, 10th is junior, 11th is... How is there so many juniors?
అంతా చేయాలి కదా స్కూల్ కోసం.
Highest grade.
పోనీ వెతికెళ్ళి
Middle school, high school, in middle school.
So we've arrived at Riancha's
Low
school.
school is what?
This is his school grounds. It's very large, way larger than my school. This is because there's 4 grades here. And Rianch thinks that it's a privilege. And he says, "You've got a smaller school than me." And that really isn't fun to hear, trust me. That's my foot in the snow. That's so deep, right?
Yeah, but stay here, stay there. Go a little forward. This is like a little
Hey, Mr. Snowmower. That means over there is mowing the snow. Sound weird, huh?
Don't tell me I'm gonna fall like always. Don't tell me I'm gonna fall like always. And then we get to go. Ah, this was too crazy. I can sleep here. I need help. Look, it's taking me. Wait, Rhea, come on. Where are you going? I'm going to go. What's that? I'm going to go. And go. No. Let's take it to the north. I'm gonna rescue the egg over there, okay? Take that egg. I'm gonna rescue that egg. There's 100 million thousand. Come on, let's go. Steady. Ready? You go. Where's the egg? Where's the egg? The egg! I killed the egg! Oh, here.
Look over there. the snow has come up higher than my father's waist. That's a lot of snow, right? Shoveling the snow is real hard work. And remember the machine from before? It's just shovel the snow, right? But we could take that, but it's really expensive. So my dad's just shoveling the snow only at the parts where my car needs to go out. So that way we won't have a whole night of shoveling to do. And we can get our car out easily. This is so satisfying. They should put this in one of the satisfying videos.
The car! 1 minute. Oh no. Oh god. Oh god. Hold on to the fence. Yes, I'm going to take it in a way that will not mount it. I can't get off. Go stand behind me. Yeah, footstep.
Side board anke?
లేదు.
Full pack.
Stay here, stay there. Go a little forward. The shell is like a little bit. Yeah, but she doesn't want to wait. Maybe not. Oh no. Oh god. No! Hold on tight. Go. I sat down. I'm gonna rescue the egg over there, okay? Take that egg. I'm gonna rescue that egg. There's 100 million thousand.
So it's 2 days later and most of the snow has melted. The roads are clean, but there's still about a layer of snow on the ground. Like, really? 2 days later. And at this one house, there's snow up to this car's window. Like, how cool is that? So much snow left. Even at this place, there's snow high and on the roofs, actually. I had so much fun this snow day. I think it was the best actually so far. And anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and comment down below whether you like today's snow video or not. Also, if you're a newcomer to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye!